Hi there, I'm Taylor Wilding, Head of Business Development for RoOomy. RoOomy is really sitting at the intersection of retail and real estate, creating 3D models and leveraging those within our virtual staging applications. One of which is coming soon and is in private beta as of right now with Matterport, allowing us to virtually stage vacant Matterport tours. Within the Matterport service provider community that's not quite available yet, we're within private beta, within multifamily, and also within developers. However, sometime here in the future, we do look to have a general release which will allow for Matterport service providers to perhaps capture more vacant spaces. Right now, the need to capture vacant spaces isn't all there, but when you have the ability to place furniture in there and create this virtually staged experience, may provide Matterport service providers and others opportunities to scan more spaces. At the same time, RoOomy is developing a reseller program with our photo-based virtual staging. So if that's something, that's a nice natural fit to start offering up our photo-based virtual stagings and create a margin for yourself as a marketing angle. So if that's of interest to you, please let us know, and we'd love to get started and onboard you as a reseller for our photo-based virtual stagings, which will be a natural transition into our Matterport partnership and service offering in the near future.
And what are the kinds of spaces or opportunities should photographers be looking for that it's a natural fit to have a Matterport empty space virtually staged with RoOomy?
Yeah, so typically it is a finished space, so not pre-construction yet. We're not performing any configurations of any sort where we're adding countertops, kitchen cabinets and such, but right now vacant space in both multifamily, single family are there. We are building in efficiencies and automation in order to provide the turnaround times that are expected within for sale single family real estate, which is why we're focused right now on our multifamily partnerships and also developers, as turnaround times are not as important, but we are getting those turnaround times to a very digestible level for our single family real estate partners, just as we have with our photo-based virtual stagings.
What are the hot buttons for multifamily home property managers or builders about why they would want Matterport 3D tour spaces virtually staged?
Great question. So right now, typically property management companies or ownership groups will have one, maybe two model units on a particular property or asset. However, they have 10, 20, sometimes up to 90 floor plans at a particular entity or asset. So being able to showcase every different floor plan in a virtual manner allows them to show the prospective tenants exactly what they would be getting, as opposed to just a generic 2-bedroom or 1-bedroom apartment.
So does this mean the property management company can generate more revenue sooner? Is that the motivator?
Absolutely. These are evergreen. So once they have that model built out, then they can use that when someone has put in their notice to leave in 30, 60, 90 days, whatever that may be. They can then start pre-leasing that a little bit sooner in their funnel and get attention for those units before they're ever really available.
And where can Matterport service providers find out more about this RoOomy affiliate program?
Yeah, so go to RoOomy.com and you can subscribe to our newsletter, and there will be all the latest information with regards to a general release and when that will be coming. Also, it's good to just give us your information so that we can keep you on our mailing list to provide you all the latest and greatest information with regards to RoOomy.
Unusual spelling for RoOomy. Could you spell it?
Yeah, RoOomy, RoOomy, RoOomy.com.
Great. Thanks so much, Taylor.